Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to retrieve the Word document which you now not saved, or maybe you close Word document by mistake and you did not save it. So how you can recover it? So I'll show you in this video. So let's start with the video. I just open the Word file here, okay, and get the blank document, and here I want to type some word that like subscribe my channel. Okay, just make it large to know and just color it. Okay, so here I just write subscribe my channel. Guys, please subscribe my channel if you like this video. Okay, and now I just close it, and by mistakenly I don't save it. Okay, so it is closed now. So we need to go again in Word to retrieve or recover this deleted WordPress Word file. And just go in Word uh, file. Okay, and get the blank. Now go to the file again, and here you have to click on this open, or you can click Control and O. Now you will see the recover unsaved document option. Click on it, and the one window will be open. Now you have to check date and time here. Okay, so today date you can see 11/11 12:33. I just find to 11/11 and time is 12:32, means this is last file which is I did not save. I just click on it and open it, so you can see the file has been opened. Now I can save from here. Okay, so I hope like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.